Good morning. Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day vlog. I am about to go to an event in Burleigh, so I thought it'd be fun to bring you along. It's for Cleo Harper. They're an activewear brand, and we're just going to do some Pilates this morning and then just like have a coffee. My girlfriend Crystal's coming with me. Sorry, the lighting's a bit terrible, but I'm super excited. It's gonna be so fun. This morning I did have like a little I was gonna put it up here, some like rice cakes with cashew butter, banana and honey, just to have a little something before I have a coffee. So yeah, I had that, and then I'll go home after this and have brekkie and stuff, and then later on I'm getting my hair done. I'm so excited. I'm actually not vibing how my hair is today for this, but that's fine. But yeah, and then I'll show you what I have for lunch and what I'm gonna make for dinner. That's super easy because I have a lot of stuff on today and I need to make dinner really easy because I'm going to be finishing my hair a bit late. So I'll show you guys that, and yeah, I'm so excited to bring you along for the day. I am back from the event. That was such a nice way to start the morning. Pilates, connecting with people, and good coffee. We got it from next door at Burleigh and it was so delicious, honestly. But yeah, and I want to also show you my activewear, so I'll show you that in a second, that I got. It's so nice and soft. I got like a green color, but I'll show you it in a second. But I am about to make breakfast. I'm just gonna have the classic. I'll show you it when I make it. And then I'm gonna have brekkie, get some work done. I have a lot to do, and then I'm actually going to get my hair done at 1 o'clock. So I need to get a bit of a wriggle on, have my brekkie, stuck into work, and then I can go just before 1 to go get my hair done. I'm so excited to get it done. It really, really needs it. It's gonna be my wedding hair, so exciting. Getting so close now. I also am going to film a little TikTok or I'll put on YouTube shorts as well, just like my food menu prep for the wedding day, which I thought would be fun to share with you guys because it's just little things that I'm planning ahead for to make sure that I feel my absolute best. I do not want to feel bloated and yucky and tired on my wedding day. I know the vibes will be high and carrying me through the day, but I would also like to make sure that I'm eating all the right foods that make me feel my best. So that will be on YouTube Shorts by the time you're watching this, because I will film that and upload it today. But yeah, I'm going to make breakfast, but beforehand, let's show you this little set that I've got. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I need to clean this mirror. I might do that today as well. But here is the top. It's like a green color. It's so nice. And then we have the bottoms. They don't have like the front seam, which I really love as well. See the back, that's like the back of the top. Sorry, I feel like it's hard to kind of see. But yeah, I love like the crossover at the back. I think that that's really nice. and then how it goes like up a little bit so that your bum looks nice. We always want that. But yeah, so nice. I put like a 1 hour express tan on last night just so that I didn't feel really pasty going into this event. So I literally just put it on, I think it was like the Bondi Sands 1 hour express, and then I put it on for like 2 hours maybe, and it turned out nice and natural. Anyway, let's put this jumper back on because I'm freezing and make some brekkie. It's time for brekkie. We have the classic. I've made fresh paleo bread this morning. Look how good that looks. And then I've got some avocado with some salt and pepper, and then I've added some rocket and 3 scrambled eggs with some salt, pepper, and chili flakes on top. This is such a classic breakfast of mine, obviously. I have it all the time, but I just love it so much. Makes me feel super satiated, and it's delicious. So let's enjoy this now. It is lunchtime already. We just jumped straight from breakfast to lunch, but here we are. It is leftovers that I made yesterday, and oh my gosh, it is so good. Slow cooked beef stroganoff. Dave has been obsessed with like those big grass-fed roasts from like roast beef from Woolies, because they have like 1 kilo of meat. So it's like a lot because we still only put that into 3 meals, but yeah, it's like massive servings. But he's been loving it obviously because he gets so much of the beef in it. But it is so delicious, this beef stroganoff, and it's so simple. And I make it in the Le Creuset pot, but you could definitely just make it on the stove and then transfer it into a slow cooker. This is in my recipe library, but I basically just like brown off some onion, and then I add the beef into the pan with salt and pepper and brown that off. And then if you do only have a slow cooker, you could just add it into the slow cooker then with mushrooms. And then for the last 2 hours, I think it was, I added in the potato. Added in white potato and a little bit of sweet potato as well. Oh, and the only thing that you season the beef with is put some garlic in there, some crushed garlic, some paprika, maybe like 1.5 tablespoons of paprika, and then some salt and pepper. How easy is that? And then at the end, once it's all cooked, I take out the potato, transfer that into the bowls, and then I just add a bit of coconut cream in. So into like the beef mixture. Stir it all through. So good, and then serve it up. So I'm gonna enjoy this now. I actually have to go really soon. So I'm going to make sure, one of my things that I'm doing before the wedding, in the lead up, because stress is obviously a massive thing leading up to a wedding, if you know, you know, but I'm really trying to keep cool, calm, and collected. So before lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything, I really want to be having maybe like 3 to 4 deep breaths just to like relax my body before I eat, because I feel like when you eat, when you're like super high stress or been running around or whatever, you kind of like get bloated a bit, or you know, you're not in that rest and digest. So you want to feel really super relaxed when you're eating so your body can digest properly. So that's what I'm going to do, because I am like rushing around this morning. So I'll take my deep breaths, have my food, and then let's go sort this hair out. I nearly forgot to show you guys my food. So here it is. There is the beef stroganoff, slow cooked. There's my potato. Honestly, so good. This is such a simple and easy meal, classic like everything else is that I make. But yeah, you guys will have to try this. It's really, really good. Quick outfit change. I have my Stanley. I just filled it up with some Element, and let's go fix up this hair. Got back from the hairdresser, and I'm a little bit scared that I went too blonde, and a little bit scared that I've got to cut too short around the front. At least I have 2 weeks before the big day to have it settle and grow a bit more. But yeah, I am a little bit scared that I went too blonde. I feel like it's blonder than it was, and I don't know if it's because my makeup is like really dark. Like I'm not loving my makeup today, and because my makeup is dark, it looks brighter. I don't know. Anyway, I got home. I'm going to take Chili for a walk, and then I actually have a meeting at 5 o'clock with one of our vendors, just like a Google Meet or like a Zoom. So I've got to quickly walk Chili, and then I'll do that. I am a little bit hungry, but I think I might just wait until dinner. We'll see. I'm back from walking Chili, and I decided to make a little protein yogurt bowl. So I've got some coconut yogurt with protein powder and collagen. And then I just added in some almonds, cashews, 2 Brazil nuts, blueberries, raspberries, and then just a square of dark chocolate. So I'll have that dark chocolate now instead of after dinner. So this is my little snack because I've got some time before this appointment. Honestly, this is so good. I would usually just have it without the protein powder, but I do want to get a little bit more protein in today. So I'm just going to have it with the protein powder, and yeah. Delish. I have just been prepping dinner. The sweet potato is in the oven. So for my sweet potato, I always just do paprika. So I do olive oil, paprika, and salt. It is the elite combo. Sometimes I'll add some Italian herbs in, but honestly, paprika and salt is all that you need. So I'm going to make a air fried Greek chicken bowl. So basically, I've just got this mingle seasoning, the lemon and herb barbecue. So I've just put it on the chicken, cut up some chicken thigh, added some olive oil and chili. Chili, can you not? Thank you, doll. I just lost my complete train of thought with Chili licking her bowl. But basically I've just got the olive oil, the seasoning on that. Mix that all together, and then I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit until it's ready to go into the air fryer, because I'll do the air fryer chicken roasted sweet potato in the oven, and then I'll add it to this bowl, which is just rocket, cucumber and avocado. So I've got a container for Dave. I'm not sure if he needs to take a container for work tomorrow, so I've just got that in a container just in case, and then leftovers, and then tonight's dinner. Also, this is my air fryer. So I have a glass air fryer. This part here is glass, so it doesn't have like the non-stick stuff in there, the Teflon, whatever the air fryers have. So this just slides out. And this thing here is actually quite large, and you can just remove this, wash that, and then wash the glass. So I don't put it in the dishwasher. I don't know if you can, because like there's a little bit of water that gets in this section when you wash it, but honestly, I love this thing, and it's so much easier to clean. You just like clean it after every wash. I feel like with the other air fryers, I wasn't cleaning it properly after every wash. I was just cleaning like the basket, but the actual, like I was cleaning this basket that went into the air fryer, but I wasn't cleaning this as much. So I clean this after every use, and it takes 2 seconds to clean. And yeah, it has a bunch of settings if I turn it on. I also just got this, I can't remember what the website was, but you can get it from like Amazon, you can get it from like Big W even. So yeah, there's like all these different settings, but honestly, I just use chips because I pretty much just put chips in here, like sweet potato chips. But I did cook chicken in there. I just put a chicken breast in there, hit that, and then I think I did like 20 minutes, and it was perfect. So good at 180. And yeah, it cooks everything really well. So I've never cooked anything else in here or used any of the other settings, but I will let you know how the chicken, or you'll see how the chicken turns out tonight anyway. But 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend these. It's just healthy choice, so you can just look up healthy choice. Anyway, I'm going to let the potato cook for a little bit longer before I put the chicken in, because the chicken will only take about 15-20 minutes, but the potato takes like 40 minutes to get it to the softness that I like. So I'm just gonna have a shower and then put the chicken on. And you know what I love about this also is at the end of this, I've cleaned up everything, so all I need to do is wash this and then wash the mat that the sweet potato is on. So I really love that as well. The sweet potato and the chicken are done. So here is the sweet potato, oven roasted, so yummy. And then here's the chicken. How good does that look? So I'll throw all this together into the bowls and then show you guys the end result. Here it is. Dinner is served. So cucumber, chicken, sweet potato, avocado, rocket, and then I just quickly whipped up a little coconut yogurt dressing. It was just like lemon, some herbs and spices, pepper, salt, and coconut yogurt. How's that look? Delish. I'm super excited to eat this, and all I have to wash up is the air fryer and this, which I'll show you. This baking mat. So I just put these over the top of all of my trays. These are from Seed and Sprout. I have had these for years and love them. So I actually think that my code, they sent me some stuff a little while ago and gave me a code for you guys. It's not like an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a code for my audience to get 10% off. So if you do want to use that, I think it's Web10. I'll put it on the screen and put it in the description. But I love these, and they're super easy to clean and eliminates baking paper and keeps your trays nice and clean. Anyway, just wanted to share that. I'm gonna go eat dinner now. I'm just about to head to bed now, but I'm just gonna have my magnesium before bed. I just put like a little bit of water and a scoop of magnesium. And then I also wanted to show you this, which I have been having with dinner. So I have one in the morning and then I have one at night, just to help with like my dermatitis and just improve my skin health and my gut health. So I've been having one of those in the morning, one of those at night. I have that with dinner, but this is just before bed. So that is me for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I will see you in the next video. Love you so much. Bye.